Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Rosie. So today we're going to be showing you parts of a chicken slash bird, but Rosie has a few more features than a normal bird. So
guys, you can chickens have better memory. They can memorize
100 different faces, which is quite amazing considering the size of their head. Look how big their head is.
Guys, look at that. Look at that head. That bit. And look how it is. Now the next part, Dylan's going to tell you.
As you can see, like all birds, Rosie has feathers.
Yep, obviously.
So that's one part.
They're the obvious one, aren't they, Rosie? Come on, Rosie.
Yep. And she also has scaly feet, like most birds.
Rosie, don't go off. Don't go off. And guys,
Like most birds.
really quite big wings. Quite a big wingspan. Not too big, but quite big.
So,
And then guys,
she has a bottom wing. So she has, you know that wing there? Oh, she's running away.
So, alright, I've got it.
Okay.
Alright, guys,
So-
if you can.
She's tied on.
Rosie, and guys,
Try to pet me there.
you can see her little gobbly bits. I don't know what they're for, but they're like the cone is really red, and you can tell the difference between a red cone and a really red cone. So if it's really red, it means they're and the floppiness of them. So if one's floppy, it means they're well. If one's not, like good Rosie hasn't.
This is a comb.
That is a good comb because she does not have a really red comb.
It means she's healthy.
Yeah.
If it's red,
Yeah,
and it's a beautiful red. at
if
the
it's
moment.
red,
So, and she also has some of the best eyesight. So you could see her eyes, and she actually has 3 eyelids.
Yeah.
So one comes up from there, one comes up from here, one comes down from here, and then one goes across, which is quite amazing. That.
yeah, that
Sorry,
is.
she doesn't like being picked up at the moment.
Yeah, she does.
So
Hey
yeah,
guys, this is Rosie. Don't know if she'll like the camera, but there's our beautiful chicken.
she has some nice wings.
Right, you want to come back down, Rosie? There you go. And guys, you know the other video with Rosie in? Go and check that out, video 14. And you might have seen I dropped her. Well, Rosie can fly a tiny bit, can't she?
A tiny bit, yeah.
She can just go like this.
If we could get that on camera a few
I'll show
videos
you.
later.
I'll show you. Guys, I'll show you. If I just give you an example.
Oh, no, she doesn't want to be picked up somewhere. You need to tweak that message.
Guys, if I just show you an example, I'm not going to drop her, but if we do see it happen, once she jumped onto the lid where we keep the food and she ate nearly all of it, and she jumped back down and kind of flew a bit, so she's like,
Guys, I think that might be all.
no, we've still got the tail, haven't we? Rosie likes the camera. Come on, Rosie, you can't be over there. You need to be back here. Rosie, we need to show you this. We need
we're
to
not
show.
hurting her because
Guys,
she's not.
Guys, we're going to show you the scales on her, or the talons, as you call birds. Things. Alright.
Yeah.
Come on, Rosie.
Instead of having claws like cats. And
Yeah, they've got really quite sharp talons, and they're used for like scratching. If like they need to scratch, they'll scratch. I'll show you.
And will actually fight to the death. Look, you could see those lovely
Talons, if you can.
Look at them. They're amazing.
There you go, Rosie.
Guys, I think that might be all.
And the red eye, just amazing.
Yeah. So.
And the tail's just sticking up. It's amazing. Rosie, don't eat that.
So
It could be bad for you.
So
guys,
we're gonna wrap it up. That was good. So
like and subscribe. So bye for now.
now.